Hey guys, so I'm just currently on Pinterest and I thought that I would do an update about like my little, project that I'm sort of doing because I did have a few days where I was feeling kind of cruddy. I just didn't really feel so great because yeah, lockdown kind of messes with your head. But anyway, so I just figured I would show you because I've got a lot of Pinterest boards. I can't, yeah, I'm kind of like that person. But recently I've just been looking up positive things I've also been working on my room, which I could insert photos here so you guys can see what I've been doing. I decided to have no webcam today because I couldn't be bothered looking fancy or whatnot, and my room's kind of a mess right now due to the point where I'm rearranging a whole heap of stuff. I've been pulling things out. I got these little boxes for some of my stuff, to go on my cabinet thing. I've also been going through my paper and all that kind of stuff too. Like I've got, I found like old pay slips and all that, which is, yeah, it's kind of interesting because I actually found out that, I've been, I found out that my apprenticeship for hairdressing is missing an entire year. So that's kind of awkward. Lost a whole year on that, but I found all this different stuff like medical files and everything, and I'm just like, why do I still have this? But yeah, I've got like a lot that I'm doing. I've printed out a bunch of stuff. I've sort of decorated my room a little bit, and I'm trying to, I know that I said hygiene was a thing that I was going to work on in the sense of like washing my makeup off every day, because sometimes when it's really late, you don't wash it all off. You get lazy. I have decided, I have decided I'm going to try and wash my hair less. Might sound crazy, but I made this goal thing, which I'm going to insert here. They're not all of my goals, but there's a lot of stuff that I've been, putting onto my goals, and I feel like that these are some of the more continuous goals. So I've been doing a lot of that too, and one thing I've really got to do is stretches. So I'm thinking of starting yoga, but your girl doesn't want to pay for it in this climate, so I will probably just be doing it in the tiny little space of my lounge room at 5 a.m. in the morning, because that's fun, by candlelight, because I don't want to wake up anything in the house. So I suppose that is just a little bit of feedback of some of the stuff I've been doing. I'm also thinking I spend a lot of time on the computer. So I kind of, especially since in lockdown, I feel like my legs are killing me. I don't know if many of you guys know this, because I don't know how the algorithm is working, but I have recently, but also sort of in the past, revealed that I do hairdressing, and I'm used to standing. most of my waking hours, and sitting down is actually hurting me. I don't know if you can hear my chair moving, but it really hurts. So I just figured that I will probably have to do something about that. I should have probably done my daily exercises, but I mean, it's been raining here. There's flood warnings, so I'm kind of concerned about that. So I guess I guess positivity is something that I'm going to be working on over the next, few weeks. This one's kind of funny. Control-Alt-Delete. Like, you can tell that I use computers a lot, okay? But anyway, so yeah. Okay, that is that. I do still want to talk about politics stuff at some point, but, like, I have felt really down about politics recently. I suppose that's more due to the fact that politics have been more involved in everybody's life. Like, before, you could sort of put it to the side of your mind and ignore it. But, I mean, with politics, with politics, it's like, yeah, this is a great example. We're all gonna die. Like, that's literally what politics have been recently. And so I'm sort of not really happy when it comes to talking about politics at the moment. I think that there's a lot going on, and I think that a lot of people are being kind of toxic about it, but I can probably talk about that in the next video that I make, so I will elaborate that in my next video. Okay? But yeah. Anyway, that's that.